Here's how to make numbered headings and subheadings in Microsoft Word. Word includes a built-in way to number headings automatically. First, open your Word document. Go to the Home tab, click the Multilevel List drop-down, then choose Define New Multilevel List. This opens the Multilevel List dialog box. On the left, you'll see each list level. We'll start with Level 1. This controls the main heading number. Make sure Level 1 is selected. You'll notice number style for this level is already set to 1, 2, 3 by default, so nothing needs to be changed here. Click More to expand the settings. Next, go to Link Level to Style and choose Heading 1. Now move to Enter Formatting for Number. Delete the bracket after the number. If required, type a full stop after the number. The number format is now set to 1. Now move to Level 2 on the left. This creates the first subheading under the main heading. Go to Link Level to Style and select Heading 2. Make sure number style for this level is set to 1, 2, 3. Now go to Enter Formatting for Number. Delete the bracket after the number. Place the cursor before the number. Open Include Level Number From and choose Level 1. After the Level 1 number, type a full stop. The number format is now set to 1.1. Now move to Level 3. This creates a subheading under Heading 2. Go to Link Level to Style and select Heading 3. Make sure number style for this level is set to 1, 2, 3. Go to Enter Formatting for Number. Delete the bracket after the number. Place the cursor before the number. Open Include Level Number From and choose Level 2. Typo full stop. Move the cursor to the start again. Open Include Level Number From and choose Level 1. Type another full stop. The number format is now set to 1.1.1. Wait. Before clicking OK if you want cleaner alignment, use the Position section shown here. Adjust number alignment and text indent until the spacing looks clean and consistent. Once everything is set, click OK. Now apply Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 from the Styles section in the ribbon. Word will handle the numbering automatically. That's it. Your headings and subheadings are now numbered correctly. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.